Hello students, this is Namrata from SEMStar online classes, and today I am going to explain you the book exercise for chapter 12, Our Neighborhood. See, I have explained you the whole chapter thoroughly, and now it is your duty to read the book and learn the new words given in your book. So let's begin with your question and answers. Here is the first question. What is the best method for reducing the quantity of waste products? How can we reuse or we can reduce the quantity of the waste products? There are many things coming out from our daily household or from our houses that we can reuse them. So this is the best method to reduce the quantity of the waste product. How? Like old boxes can be used as a storage box, and the bottles can be used for storage purposes. So there are many ways we can reduce the quantity of the waste products. Next question is, why should the usage of plastic products be minimized? Everything is available in plastic. Rather, it is your beverages. Beverages means the liquor, the liquid thing. It is some storage material. So everything is available in a bottle. So why it should be reduced or minimized, the usage of plastic bottles? Because plastic takes millions of years for being degrade. So, and we cannot easily degrade it. It takes many years. So this is the main purpose of the usage of plastic products should be minimized. And next question is, what is community? So next question is, what is community? People who are living with us in our neighborhood, they are our neighbors, and together we form a community. Like you are living in a colony, so you make a community. This is, see, everything is given in your book, every answer, every word I am speaking in your videos, everything is given in your book. If there is any confusion, you can use your book for the answers as well. Next question is, what places do these colors represent on a map? When we are using a map for the depiction of the places, we are using different colors and they are universal. So we are using blue, green and brown, and there are many colors. So why we are using these colors? So these colors are used to show some specific places. Like blue is used to show the water bodies on the map, like river, oceans, lake and many more. Green is used to show the plains, and brown is used to show the mountains and hills on a map. It is very easy that mountains are, when you are looking a mountain from a distance, it is we can see them or we can recognize them as they are in brown color. So we are using brown color, and blue color for the water bodies because it reflects the blue color for water bodies, and green for plain areas because there are greenery on the plains. That is why we are using green color for the plains. Next question is, give few examples of recycling. There are many ways by which we can recycle different products. Like, suppose you have purchased anything and that is packed in a carton. So we can use that carton as a storage box. The paint buckets, they are they can be used as a storage for the grains. And see, in our houses, in my own house, I am recycling and reusing the plastic products for different purposes. So here we have done with our question and answers. Now I am going to explain you fill in the blanks given in your fill in the blanks on the board. So first one is dash are the area in which we live. So where do we live? On mountain or hills? No, we are living on plains. So plains are the area in which we live. Second one is a dash is used to show distances on a map. See, when I was explaining the chapter, I have explained you that for distances we are using scale. So a scale is used to show distances on a map. Suppose I want to show you 1000 kilometers. So will I use the 1000 kilometer range to show you? No, I will explain you 1 centimeter is equal to 1000 kilometers. That is for the scale, and we are using it to show the distances on a map. Then different colors are used to show different places on the earth. In the question answers we have done that blue, green and brown color are used for different places on earth. So yes, of course, different colors. The blank should be covered with colors. So different colors are used to show different places on the earth. Like blue color is used to show water bodies and brown color is used to show mountain and hills. And there are many colors we are using to show on map for the places. Next one is maps are used. Maps use many signs and what? We are using different signs and symbols to show different places on the map. So maps use many signs and symbols. The last one is things which belong to the people. Things which belong to the people living in an area are called what? Suppose you are using a public transport and that belongs to us. So this is called public property. So here we have done with the fill in the blanks. Now I am going to explain you multiple choice question. I will read that from the book because there are 4 options for every question. One at creativity corner is given in your book, that is create a small map of your neighborhood using the symbols discussed in this chapter. In that chapter, when I was explaining you different symbols, that is given on your page number 89 here. So you can use these symbols to show the different places on that map that you are going to draw for your local area. That is your activity and you can enjoy that. One more thing, I have given you Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat project work. In that I have explained you that you have to use ice cream stick and you have to drape the specific traditional dress of Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. So you have to submit it before 2nd of November. It is your last date for submission. Okay, now come for choose the correct option. Your first option is municipal authorities, highway authorities, police authorities and medical department. C. Who is responsible for the cleanliness of our surrounding? Of course, municipal corporation. Because police, what does the police do? There are different jobs for these 3 options. But the right option is here, municipal authorities. Next one is old newspaper can be reused to produce. We can use old newspaper to produce what? There are options: bottles, utensils, recycled paper and metal. Yes, we can use old newspaper to produce recycled paper. That is, see your cover, the cover of the book and your rough copy, they all are made from the recycled paper. Third one is eco-friendly products are what? Non-biodegradable. non-biodegradable, harmful, poison. Next question is, eco-friendly products are what? They are biodegradable. Yes. From your all 4 options, the fourth one is your correct option. And the fourth question is, a dash is a place that we can easily recognize. Sea, plane, landmark or playground. What we can easily recognize? The plane. So your second option is right option. Here we have done with all the exercises related to this chapter, and I am saying in every video that it is important to read your book